Hello everyone, my name is Shada. Today we're talking about the weather. As you see, it's sunny. Ooh, it's hot.
Today, my name is Dylan. Today we're going to be talking about the weather. As you see, it's snowing. I like snowing. Hi guys, my name is Anissa. Today I'm going to talk about the weather. It's windy. I don't like windy.
Hello, my name is Shko, and today I'm gonna talk about the weather. As you can see, it's windy. I don't like windy.
Hello everyone, my name is Kaya. I am talking about the weather. Today is rainy. I like rain.